Hi, and welcome to the Spectrum Contact Notes training video. As a direct care provider, one of your main responsibilities, in addition to providing excellent care, is entering contact notes using our online eTools system. This is a really important part of the direct care process. It ensures timely communication and accurate documentation. In this video, I'll show you all the steps and helpful tips to enter your contact notes. Remember, it is very important to enter these notes within 24 hours of the service being provided. Okay, let's get started. Start by logging onto the website at www.spectrumco.com. Hover over the eTools tab and select the appropriate service area from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, click on Contact Notes, which will open the password-protected window. Here you'll enter the password that was given to you. If you forget the password, please contact your program manager. After you've logged on, you'll be able to fill in all the information fields and type your contact goal and note. When entering the client's name, as well as your name, the provider, remember to use proper casing, do not use all caps, and do not use the space key after your name or that of the client. You'll be asked to enter the client's CCB, or Community Center Board, as well as their waiver. This information is specific to the client and will be provided to you by your program manager during client-specific training. Next, you'll be able to select the service that you provided. Some clients are authorized to receive multiple services. In this case, you'll enter a separate contact note for each service that you provide. For example, one note for Day Hab Community, one note for personal care, and so on. Next, you'll enter the contact date, the contact start time, and the contact finish time. Remember to choose AM and PM appropriately. Next, you'll enter the contact duration in units. 1 unit equals 15 minutes of service. In this example, 1 hour of service was provided, so I will enter 4 contact units. The next field is extremely important. Remember, when writing the contact goal and notes, be brief. Typically 1 sentence per hour of service provided is sufficient. You'll also need to remember to state how the services provided met the client's goal. For example, if Sally is receiving the service of Day Hab Community, and she has a goal to increase socialization when out in the community, you might write the following contact note. This note highlights the service that was provided, as well as how Sally's goal was met. Keep in mind that I also highlighted how Sally was taken to and from the community outing. For this reason, I will select Yes Two-Way for transportation. The final step is to enter your email address. By doing this, you'll get a receipt of the time that you've worked. If for any reason you do not receive an email receipt, call your program manager and they can send you a copy. Do not enter an additional contact note. This will be considered a duplicate. After you've completed the contact note form, press Continue. You'll be shown a review page and have the opportunity to select Back to make corrections or Submit. Again, make sure the goal and the notes section reflects the services that are pursuant to the individual's plan. If you realize you've entered a contact note incorrectly, call your program manager and they can fix it on their end. Again, do not enter an additional contact note as this will be considered a duplicate. Keep in mind that movies and gambling are not approved services. Also remember that you can never exceed the agreed upon weekly and monthly service plan units. Any services that you provide that are above and beyond the agreed upon schedule must first be approved by your program manager. Now you have all the information you need to successfully complete a contact note. Remember, all notes must be entered within 24 hours of the service being provided. All information must be accurate, and only approved services and approved hours can be documented. This is a very important process to make sure that clients are served appropriately and so that your hours worked are documented. If you ever need to reference back to this video to remember any step that we've covered, feel free. Thanks for watching.